Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this look. This is basically a pink, playing with pink on your eyes with some silver glitter and my favourite pink lipstick ever, which you'll find out how much I love it at the end of the video. And without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So guys, just to let you know, my hair is still drying, it's not greasy or anything. I've recently had a shower. And I have done my eyebrows, defined the tops, bottoms of my eyebrows, concealed my eyes, set them, and did my eyeliner off camera, so we can get straight into the eyeshadow for today's look. We have a lot of palettes by here, but these colours you can get out of your palettes if you have more than one. So the first palette we're going to go in with is the Kylie Jenner Peach palette. And you can basically find this colour anywhere. It's basically just a baby pink colour, and that's just going to act as a base shade into our crease. So we're going to get a fluffy brush and just put that in. I actually forgot how pigmented that was, so when I applied that then I had a freak out. But it's like that, and we are going to clean up now. We're just quickly applying it in there. Sorry, the lighting isn't the best today. It's like kind of dark out today, so it's not the best, but I hope it brightens up a little. Really, I need one of those lights that looks like an umbrella, and I need a mic. But for now, for my 3-4 months into my YouTube stuff, I think we're doing just fine. So the palette after that, we're going to use the Revolution Fortune Favours the Brave palette, and we are going to take yet again another baby pink, but it's a little lighter, and it's just the third colour at the top if you have this palette, and it's just a lighter baby pink colour. So we're going to put that into our crease again. It's really pretty. I haven't done pink eyeshadow in quite some time, and I think I just don't really go out there with my eyeshadow anymore unless it's in a video, because I don't really leave the house because I haven't started my job yet. Starting in next week though, and I got some ideas for videos for that. It should be good. Okay, so those two colours are on our eyes, and they are basically really light, and I think it looks pretty so far. So then we're going to go in and head in with a NYX single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Dollface. It's all really smashed up, so it's just going to be really hard to apply, but it's just a dark pink colour. Look at that. Look how bad that is. It is so smashed up. We're going to apply it into our crease like a really sharp line. It's so pretty because it almost has this holographic effect to it as well, and I really like that. I just love NYX single eyeshadows. It's so pretty. I bought one not long ago called Mermaid, and it's like a mint because I've wanted a mint eyeshadow for ages. It's not the most pigmented NYX eyeshadow I've ever got. I've had way more pigmented ones in the past, but it's good enough for now. After that, we're going to head in with another palette, which is my MUA Makeup Academy palette. It has loads of colours in, and if you are a supportive subscriber here, you know I love this palette. So the colour we're going to use from this palette is going to actually be these two, and they're going to mix, and these two colours are called, so we're going to take Burn and mix it with Blush. So it's like a pink with a purple. If I just swatch it on my fingers, it's like a pink and purple colour. I'm going to mix them together, and mixing them together looks super pretty, and that's going to go into our outer corner. After that, we're going to head into this palette again, and we're going to take this colour which is called Sizzle. It's like an orangey pink tone, and that's just going to go all above everything we've done, and we're going to blend it out really carefully. So it's really hard to explain that, so just take your slanted brush and I'm just going to show you. Yeah, it's definitely like a peach orange colour. Now we're heading in with my Kylie Jenner the bronze palette, and we're going to use the colour Quartz just above the start of our crease. Using the shade Jasper, which is just a basic white colour for under our brow bone. Now after that is the fun part. We are going to half cut the crease. So to do that, we're going to take out a favourite concealer, which is my Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C1. I want to get it in the shade... What's the new shade? It's just a new shade lighter than this, and it's basically white, and that'd be really nice for half cut creases, I think. So I really want to get that for like a different effect, on the half cut crease. So to do this, we're going to take just a really small flat brush, which you find easy to control. After that, we're going to go a bit more out there with the look, and we're going to take the Collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner in shade 1 Glitz, which is basically a silver gel liner, and that's going to go all on top of the half cut crease. Okay, now it is time for face makeup. So obviously we go in with our primer. My go-to primer is the MUA Pro Base Primer, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. So if you guys watched last week's video, I ran out of my go-to Fenty Beauty foundation, and honestly I'm kind of pretty thankful for it because it's a matte foundation and I suffer with dry skin, and it wasn't helping me any more in the end. So now I'm just sticking with my Revolution, it doesn't have a name, my Revolution Stick Foundation in F1. So as you guys know, I have a different opinion on this foundation stick every week. I've now snatched it. I know how much of this to apply to my skin to be my perfect shade. So I'm loving this foundation because it doesn't dry out my skin, it looks really good on, it looks sleek, and I very much like it. So going in with that. Where's my bauble? I don't have one now. So I don't apply much, and compared to others I apply it really odd. So applying that to our face. So that's the foundation. done. I've got loads of this left, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I've got quite a bit left. I do love this foundation. Yeah, next week my opinion will change probably, but oh well. After that, we're going to head in back with my concealer and apply it to the usual areas of the face. I like to blend out my concealer super soft, and I like to blend it almost in a circular motion. And when I can tell it's all like blended in, like my chin, I like to blend it outwards, just so there's no harsh lines, so it blends in with the rest of my face. I like to blend it out on my forehead like an upside down triangle for that highlight. We are going to set our face with our e.l.f. Sheer Face Setting Powder and a setting brush. Then we're going to take some of our baby beauty blender and carve our nose. Now we are going to take our e.l.f. Under Eye Sheer Setting Powder and apply it with a beauty blender. Like right now it looks super ghostly because of all this powder. Now, one of my favourite steps of the makeup, I am going to bronze up and contour my face with my MUA Bronze Perfection Matte in Sunset Tan, and we're going to take my Revolution Pro F105 contour brush. No, I just find contouring so relaxing. So relaxing and satisfying. I'm sorry if I'm talking and you can hear voices in the background. I have a loud family. We don't know how to shut up or quiet down our voices. So sorry about that. Taking that right into the hairline. I like to dab it on first and then blend it in afterwards. You don't want any of those harsh contour lines, like you've literally just got like that, like a zebra. No, you don't want that. Just make sure to just blend it out. It's just really good professional contouring. Blend out on the forehead into the hairline. I like to do circular motions, that's the easiest way for me. After that, we're going to wipe away under our eyes and our nose contour. I mean our nose, like the white stuff. After that, we're going to take a smaller brush, which is from the Urban Decay Naked 3 collection, and we're going to contour out our nose. Okay, so after that we are going to curl our lashes. Yep, that's the next step. Oh, wait. Just going to do some colour under our bottom lashes just to bring the whole eye look together. So the colour we're actually going to use is going to be the colour Blush from this palette, which is like the purpley tone we mixed earlier. So after that we're going to go in with mascara, and I use the 17 Backlash. When I have money, once again this quote of the day, when I have money, I am going to I think I'm going to invest in the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've always wanted to try it, so why not? I don't know how much it is. I think it's, isn't it like £18? Well, I'm gonna purchase it because it gotta be better than this. This is a fine mascara, but it's top of the range mascara, that is basically. I'd love to try it out and give you guys a little my opinions on it. After that, we're going to head in with my favourite highlight palette ever, which is the Revolution Ultra Pro Glow. And we're going to take the second shade here, which is pretty warm, and apply it to the high points of our face. Is that coming up in camera? I hope so. God damn it, I love his highlight. Now we're gonna do, now we have to set our eyebrows. So I'm gonna use my MUA Brow Define Tinted Brown Mascara. I hope I don't make a mess of this like I always do, because this is just so hard to control. Because I'm like pretty new to like tinted mascaras for your eyebrows. Already made a mess. But it's fine, I'll just let it dry and then I'll wipe it away as pure usual. For the lips, we're going to actually do the most gorgeous pink colour I've ever owned in my life. It is the Kylie Jenner CANDY K, and there's loads of dupes for this, and this is a matte. Smells gorgeous. I wore it to my prom. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love her lipsticks. They smell like just, oh, I don't even know, like frosting and icing. It smells so good. So this is the prettiest pink I've ever owned in my life. I'm gonna apply it all over my lips. And I'm pretty sure that is the completed look. I'm pretty sure I'm done. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe below if you haven't already, and comment below if you have any questions and queries. And I post every Thursday. In the upcoming months, I have some really exciting videos planned. June is going to start the exciting videos, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can